Hello everyone, I'm Allison and I'm from DAQIN Company. Next, I will show you our new materials. New materials have brighter colors, suitable for purchase. Next, I'll explain our materials in detail. There is a relief effect in the middle of this material. It has a UV embossed effect. There is no relief effect on the side. It has a frosted treatment. And these places have scratch resistant and waterproof functions. This logo can be customized. If you purchase a certain quantity of materials, logo can be your personal brand. Material has 3 layers. There are lines and vents between the layers. This can reduce bubbles during the film pasting process. My presentation of the materials. Next, I'll demonstrate the cutting process to everyone.